It is the process by which green plants make their own food using sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. Written down below is the basic equation to represent photosynthesis in a better view for your understanding. So why are the plants green in color? So the plant's leaves are green because that color is the part of sunlight reflected by a pigment in the leaves called chlorophyll. What happens in photosynthesis is carbon dioxide and water get mixed and form glucose and oxygen in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So most life on earth depends upon photosynthesis. The process is carried out by plants, algae and some other types of bacteria which capture energy from sunlight to produce oxygen and chemical energy, which is then stored in the form of glucose or sugar. So what is the process of photosynthesis? The basic process of photosynthesis is plants take in carbon dioxide and water from the air and soil. So carbon dioxide is taken from the air and water is taken from the soil. So within the plant cells, the water is oxidized, meaning the water loses electrons. Whenever we say anything is getting oxidized, means it is losing electrons, and the carbon dioxide gets reduced, means that gains electrons. In that process, this carbon dioxide in the water transforms into glucose and oxygen. Plant then releases the oxygen back into the air and stores energy within the glucose molecules. This is the basic process of photosynthesis. So here I have written down the basic equation which is used to represent photosynthesis. Okay. Next is what are the raw materials which are needed for the photosynthesis. Before this, I just want you to understand like why, what is chlorophyll, and why is plant leaves are generally green in color. So chlorophyll is inside the plant cell there are small cell organelles which are called chloroplasts, which stores the energy of sunlight. Okay, so within the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplast, in the chloroplast there are thylakoid membranes. If you have seen the structure of chloroplast, you have seen that there are thylakoid membranes. Within the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplast, there is a light absorbing pigment which is named as chlorophyll. Because this chlorophyll absorbs the sunlight from the environment, the plants are green in